Hi, it's Brittany from the Empurrium. Welcome back to my channel. This is vlog number 13 for 2024. I think it's vlog number 13. I didn't check. Anyways, he is over here laughing at me. I think she's funny. I made a couple things. I'm just gonna, normally I would like record an intro and then record another clip, but you know what? Okay. Anyways, that Rowena that I had finished, I finally made the crossbody strap and it is super cute. So you could wear it like that if you wanted to. Yeah, stay out of it. I made a super cute little For the Love of Change pouch. I actually cut this out back in like March, February, I don't know. Look how cute. It was a scrap I had. Yeah. Oh, she's testing a bracelet on me. Oh, you need more? You need more. But it was just a scrap left over from when I made a Mr. Heckles. So I finished those. What else did I do? I don't know. I finally finished my Purse Pal fabric hacked video, so I'm so excited. I haven't really shown off some of the rosies. If you have watched my lives, you've probably seen back like late March I was prepping a bunch of rosies to sew at Sew Whatever Studio, and then the basement flooded, so I haven't done all of them, but I had finished this one and I bound it during a live, but I finally made myself something at Sew Whatever Studio and put that in there. But it has like a two-toned lining. I used the little woven label. This is a Hex Reject art print that I sell, but I sublimated this for myself. And then it's so cute. Look how cute. The Purse Pal is a really nice size for the Rosie. It fits in there really nice. So I'm excited that I have a new set for myself. What else? Halloween pre-order was supposed to end on June 30th. I'm extending it through July 3rd. I had sent some strikes to my friends Beth and Elizabeth, so just giving a little time for them to finish, and I still need to finish my Rowena. I've already put up the video for the cutting tutorial. I still have to finish the sewing tutorial and get that up. But yeah, there's lots of good prints. They're available on cotton woven and on smooth vinyl. I don't know that I did do stuff in my office this vlog. I finished painting my closet. I took down the mirrors on one half. I ordered some like fairy lights and I have started putting them up. Thea thinks it's her whole office now. Ooh, you're good. You're good. She's been making rubber band bracelets. Yes. So this weekend, Mike is gonna help me get my desks up here. We have to like cut them down some, which is kind of crazy. It's fine. They gotta do it. Between now and the next vlog, so the next vlog will be July 13th. I'm just gonna be working on makes. I should have my office like truly pretty much finalized. I'll be getting ready class kits for So Magical Tennessee. Working on my pattern, hopefully. My friend Lauren is coming to visit me next weekend, so I'm really excited. So we're gonna do a live video together for what?
What's going to be in the next one?
I'm telling them that right now. Lauren and I are gonna do a live together while she's here. We're gonna cut out a modified One with More Me Know, which is the July monthly per object that we're doing. So excited. Thea, you're hitting the camera. Summer break is lots of fun with the kids home. So anyways, enjoy the vlog. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love if you did. Yeah, come here. If you want to see this one being goofy in a video, we did a Pusheen unboxing the other day. So, yep. Anyways, tell them bye. I got it to record this time. I don't get it. I got my Alchemats pre-order in. I'm like, does it look right? Sure, we'll go with it. I've been waiting for this. I ordered this in March. I think it was March. So this is very, very packed. Okay, I'm so excited. I got lucky because I only ordered fabric. People who ordered vinyl and hardware are having to wait due to some issues, but all the pretty cotton wovens are in. Alchemats bag. Oh, I tried making a request for a certain sticker. So I got ghost Pokemon. Okay. I just don't think the notes show up here. Okay, I got, these are all cotton wovens. Small scale for everything except Lord of the Rings stacked scenes. I got the large scale. Oh, it's in 2 pieces. I got 2 yards, but they came separate, it looks like. Okay, it's really cool. What sold this to me was Shannon from Knotted Threads. She did, I think it was just an Aries with this, but it looked so cool how it was featured. Okay. The rest of them are 1 yards. Okay, so they're Pokemon. Oh, wait, one isn't. Okay. I got, okay, this is called Legacy Core. So it is, I've been waiting for this since February. Okay, it is Harry Potter. So when I taught the NCW class at So Whatever Studio back in February, Jabby had used this print on her NCW and I loved it so much. I was like, I have to order it. Okay, now I got Fiery Core, Grassy Core, Watery Core, and Foxy Forest Brown. Okay, so that's fire, that's water, that's grass. Okay, so this is Foxy Forest Brown. It's a little like foresty Pokemon. Super cute. This is Fiery Core. So cute. This is Watery Core. I left my laptop on sound, sorry. And this is Grassy Core. So, yes. So cute. Been waiting forever. I'm like, what do I make? Probably Rowena. I asked my friend Leanne, I was like, so what did you do to make a cotton woven one? Because you have to cut into it for the strap connectors. And she said that she's used Freight Check. Okay. I also did a live with my friend Lauren. We are I already mentioned this on the vlog, but we're doing a monthly project, and Lauren named it yesterday. It's our monthly per object. So excited. But we did our live today for the dice bag with the super cute little dice beads. I actually sewed up one with the rainbow critical rose because I wanted to use pink and the rainbow dice beads. So the inside of this one is like pink. I was like, if Barbie played D&D, she'd have this dice bag. Just saying. So super cute. I love it. And then I just added the beads onto the black and green one because I already had that made. So yeah, super fun. Next month, will this already be up? No. Okay. Next month our project is a simplified, modified, whatever you want to call it, one with More Me Know. So next month is the 2-year anniversary of the original project box from More Me Know, the summer project box that I got to do an unboxing and a tutorial for. Lauren was like, oh, we could do this, and I was like, Lauren, you know, it's the 2-year anniversary, and she's like, no way. So yeah, so we will have, Lauren will have a listing on her website each month for the project, per object, and it is a suggestion. It'll have like a list of materials you can purchase for it. It might not always be like everything for it. Like this month she had this fabric and then the beads listed, but like for the cording I have an Amazon affiliate link for that. I also have a tutorial for it. So next month she'll have like suggested vinyl or water resistant canvas, things like that, and then the hardware too. It's not a required purchase. It's just like a suggestion, an inspiration. Like, we're going to be announcing around the beginning of the month, each month, and then we will do a live or a video like the second half of the month. I think we talked about doing a live together cutting our bags because Lauren is coming to visit me. I'm so excited. She's bringing Dorothy. Dorothy and Thea are going to have a blast. And then we'll do another live sewing, like from our own houses. So yeah, already off to a great start for this vlog. I can't wait to see what else I finish. Oops, I forgot to get a before. I started doing the edge painting for the closet. The reason for this like stripes is because it's like a paneling and goes in, and I wanted to make sure that I caught everything on the first go around. I won't do it again, but yeah, I gotta take this stupid light down to paint above it. I hate this. There were 2 of them in here, like one on each side when we moved in, and they get really stupid hot, so I'm gonna put different lights in here, but hopefully tomorrow I can start setting stuff up in here. Alright, I have a couple makes, like this super cute little baking ghost print that just dropped from Hex Reject, and I made a peekaboo from More Me Know. This vinyl is the French green vinyl from More Me Know. I used my little ghost zipper pull. So fun. And I used my, I think it's called Candy Cane thread from Wizardry. Lots of fun. And then I participated in the Willow Wristlet Marathon. This pattern is from So Majestic. So technically it's just like sit like this, but I cut mine like this, so that's what we're going with. I used another ghosty pull and this fun zipper tape. I can't remember where I got it. It might be from Wizardry. The pattern technically has card slots in there, but I did not have them. Yeah, it was part of marathon, so you can go check the whole marathon out. But this print is running in my pre-order. Will this video go up? This video should be up. The pre-order will be closing. It's supposed to close on the 30th of June. But I have some strikes on the way to 2 of my friends so that they can sew up bags. So I'm going to keep it open just like a couple extra days, but then we got to close it because we want to get our Halloween goodies in time. Okay. I also told Thea she could have this, and she's been like waiting for me to record this part of my vlog. I got some retro stitch strikes in. This round will be opening July 1st. So I got a little cutesy Sailor Moon. And then I got this cat book print, but the titles on the books are Taylor Swift things. So there's 13 Swiftie, Taylor's version, 22 Red Trouble, Starlight Scarves, Bad Blood, Blank Space, Taylor Swift, August, All About Cardigans, Peace, Folklore, Lavender, Summer, Evermore, Happiness, Speak Now, December, Enchanted, Men, Daylight Lover, Cornelia Street, Midnights, Reputation, Fast Cars, Endgame, A Snake. Yeah, anyways, there's a bunch of them on there. The print is bigger than I thought it was going to be, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make. But yeah, there's a cat with a disco ball tail. It's super, super cute. I actually own this file myself, so I'll make something with it sometime on other stuff too. But those are for the retro stitch pre-order. That runs through most of July, I think. I know it opens on the 1st. Anything else? I'm about to record my Rowena cutting video, so I'll have that up, and then I should be able to get through sewing it as well, as long as my kids let me. George is rolling around over there. He looks really cute. Let me see. Yes, because that's this weekend that this vlog goes up. Where's the time going? Okay. I got a new air conditioner. It is very nice. It cost too much. But it's really cool because the window closes through it. So they call it like a mini split type. So if you know what a mini split is, this is a window mini split, except it doesn't have heat, which would have been nice, because I do need a heater up here in the winter. But I also finished painting the closet, and then I took the mirrors down on this side because I need the chair to be able to slide in and out here so that the can use that. So I'm gonna go cut my Rowena. Okay, so closet is all painted. I got these lights, and hang on here. I have them up with these little hooks, and then I doubled them up and put the ends there, but they're basically going to go on the ceiling like this. Thea, stop being a weirdo. So I just have to figure out how I'm attaching them here. But I have my waterproof canvas, my interfacing, I have Thea.
What?
But I had to take down the mirrors on this side. I left them up on there. I actually really like having it so I can like take a picture in it sometimes, and the background looks cool. I don't know. But these are down because I needed the chair to be able to slide in and out. And I'm gonna have, my plan is, if I can get it cut down right, I'm going to have like a corner desk here and then have the table still go there some. And yes, Thea's sewing machine's gonna be in here, and then I'm gonna hopefully have cubes under the table. Yeah, it's pink. So, yep. Here is my Rowena. So this is one of the prints in my Halloween pre-order. But, yep, this wraps up this one.